Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the first time, please right now go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. All right, guys, let's get into it. I am back with Digital Wealth Pros with an update. The new level has launched, and the site has been updated, and the video has been updated. Okay, so I kind of want to go over that with you guys. If you're here for the first time, this is an affiliate program. It's a direct sales member-to-member program. It is not multi-level marketing. Okay, we have 3 product levels. This is an automated system that will generate $200 commissions, $400 commissions, and now $800 commissions. And we also get overrides. Okay, but 3 products. Okay, this system is already set up for you. They have the sales funnel. I'm on the sales page right now. The sales page is now 7 minutes. It used to be 6 because they updated it with a new level. So this is a great way for newbies or someone that's never made money online, that's been trying to make money online, to get started in affiliate marketing. All right, mainly because they have a call center. That's number 1. Okay, which means the call center is going to answer all the questions for your prospects. When they go to your website and they find that they have questions, they'll be able to call the call center, and the call center will close out all your sales. Okay, so this is very different than anything else that's out on the market, and you make 100% commissions, guys. All right, so they have the sales funnel set up for you, meaning all the capture pages, the autoresponder, everything is built in. Okay, they have a way for you to track all your links so that you can see, you know, the clicks, the conversions, how the marketing is going with your capture pages. Okay, you can also, if you so choose to, you can connect a third-party autoresponder such as Aweber, GetResponse, or MailChimp to this system. Otherwise, you can just let all the leads go into this system, and they will do the follow-up emails for you. You're paid instantly. Okay, instantly and directly. When the sales team or the customer service team speaks to your prospects, they will send them the link, get them all set up, okay, on paying you. And you can decide how you want to receive your payments, whether it's Zelle, PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, credit card, or you can have them mail you a money order directly to your mailbox. It's up to you, but you can set that up in your back office. They also have advertising campaigns. All this is included. Okay, there is no monthly fees here. There's no pass-ups with this system. So they have all the advertising campaigns set up to show you how to promote this opportunity without bugging friends and family. Okay, and of course they have digital products, eBooks, audios, and videos. Okay, to help improve you with your business. And I'll show you the back office where they've added the new platinum level as well. So you're looking at a 95% automated system. Okay, everything will be automated from the time that they go to your page, put in their email and their name. The system is going to send them an email to follow up with them. They watch a video that explains the program, 7-minute video now. It's been updated. If they have questions, they're going to call the call center. They're going to answer all the questions. The call center is going to close the sale and set them up. Okay, then you get paid. So all that's on autopilot. Okay, so the only thing left, the 5%, is you promoting the opportunity. Okay, other than that, the system is automatic. Okay, and when the sales team closes the sale, they'll send you an email to tell you've got a new member have been added to your team. Okay, so you can't beat this, guys. So if you don't like talking to people, answering questions about a program, this is the perfect opportunity $200 commissions, $400 commissions, and now $800 commissions. Okay, so we got $200 level is the bronze level. It's $297 to get in. The $400 is the gold. It's $497. And then the $800 level is $997. You earn 100% commission. So you'll be able to earn $200, $400, and $800. Okay, so if you sign up for the third level, all the other levels are included. All right, so awesome way to get started making money online on autopilot. So this page is what we all have. Okay, it's coded to you. It's going to have your name and your ID here. Okay, so when people go and opt in, they see your name, your ID. So when they make that call, they have to give your ID. Okay, I'm 442-89634. So you would just go here, click here. It says call our support team. The 800 number shows up, 800-232-2109. Okay, call them, give them my ID. If they don't answer, just leave a message with your name, your number, my ID, and my name, and let them know you're ready to get started. Okay, they'll call you back, guys, but this is how they get paid. They have to close the sale for them to get paid. So just be patient with that. But this is, I think, the perfect newbie-friendly, beginner-friendly affiliate marketing program. All right, so let's go take a look at the new update. Okay, so when you go here, log into the dashboard right here. See, it says platinum level member. Okay, before it used to have both levels when I was a gold member. Okay, so now I'm platinum, so it tells you that right here. Okay, so that's been updated. Okay, and here are the products. Okay, the bronze level, the $200 level right here. The $400 level, here's the products there. And as you can see, they've added the platinum level products right here for the $800 level, the third level. Okay, so go check this out. The link is in the description. Go to www.earnwithpandora.com. Go get started. For everybody that joins me, I'm going to send your first traffic campaign. I'll tell you the specs on that in a second. Let's cover this real quick. When you first join, guys, you want to log in. You go here to your dashboard and click Get Started. Okay, click Get Started and go through each one of these little tabs, these little squares. They're mini little tutorials. Okay, now the main one, of course, is your managed payments. You want to set up how you want to receive your payments. So you definitely want to get that completed, and you want to go over here just as a tour. So this is the tour. Everything in the middle is over here to the left. So the tour, when you go there, it talks about each one of these tabs. System messages. This is from the company. If they have an announcement or some members information, is under system messages. CRM, if you click there, right here, it tells you this is how you could connect a third-party vendor, whether it's Aweber, MailChimp, GetResponse. That's right there. All right, hang on a second. Next up is your leads. All the leads, the names and emails that was entered into your capture page will go into your leads, and all the members that have actually signed up with you will be under your members. And then of course your products, which is what I just showed you, and then member resources. This is the resources area where the marketing campaigns. You can use postcards. They have the postcard already set up with a company that will do the mailing for you if you choose to do that. They have an 800 number you can get, okay, through 800 link with a recorded message that you can put this 800 number on your postcards. It's already set up. If you're going to do the third party autoresponder with Aweber or GetResponse, they have the autoresponder emails right here under pre-made autoresponder letters. Go there and copy them. Okay, and then the other two tabs is the solo ad campaigns. That's very easy, guys, to get traffic to your site. So you don't have to bug friends and family. You don't have to chase people down on Facebook and message strangers and bug them. You can go right here, click solo ad campaigns, order traffic, give them your link of your capture page, and they will send targeted people to you. Both of these tabs are for solo ad vendors. Then of course right here, member support. If you have a question regarding anything about the program, you will go to member support. Now the 800 number that we have is for sales, for those guys to close sales. So don't call them asking them any questions about the program, the system, any of that. Okay, once you're a member, you should go to member support, shoot them an email, and they'll get back to you. All right, let me show you some of the capture pages real quick. Okay, right here, as you can see, there's 4 capture pages, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then they have the sales page. And I showed you the sales page. That's what I was on when I came on. So let's just look at one of these. Okay, so this is what you would give the solo ad provider. Just copy one of these links, give it to them, they'll run traffic to your page. All right, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so here is one. Okay, so just decide which one you want to use, and the solo providers will send targeted people to your system to check it out. The more people you get to get eyeballs on the sales page in that 7-minute video, the better chances of you getting sales. So it's all about promoting. Okay. Okay, so for everybody that signs up with me, when you come in at the bronze level, that's the $200 level, I'm going to send a solo ad for you, 125 click solo ad. If you come in at the gold level, that's the $400 level, I'm going to send a 225 click solo ad. If you come in at the $800 level, I'm going to send a 300, and I'm going to change that to 25 right here. 325 solo click ad. Okay, so once you get signed up, shoot me an email with your capture page link so that I can give you that bonus traffic and we can start getting eyeballs looking at the opportunity. Okay. All right, guys, with that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. If this sounds like it's something you're interested in, earning $200 commissions, $400 commissions, and $800 commissions, where you have a call center closing all your sales for you. You never have to speak to people. You never have to answer the questions. Okay. The call center is going to do all the closing, and they will send you an email when they sign people up. I got started on the 22nd. Within 7 hours, which was last week, within 7 hours, I had my first $400 sale. And then 24 hours later, I made another $400 sale. And the sales, the call center holds those sales, okay? Because people have to go there. That's the only way you can get in the program. You have to go to the call center, call the 800 number, give the referral of the person that referred you, okay? So within those few days, within 2 days, I made $800, okay? So the call center does work. Just call them, 800-232-2109. Give them my referral ID, 442-89634. But the first thing you want to do is watch this video. Opt into the link in the description, the very first link at the in the description, www.earnwithpandora.com. Watch this 7-minute video. That's step 1. Step 2, read over this website, and then come here, click this button, call the 800 number, give them my referral ID, leave a message with your name and number. Okay, let them know you're ready to get started. Give them my referral ID, and they will get you started. I mean, you literally can be signed up today. There is no creating a website for you. There's no monthly fees. When you make your payment, you're gonna have access to your system right away. Okay, so there's no waiting on that. So if you're ready to get started, go ahead and do that. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, you guys be safe out there. See you in the next video. Have a blessed day.